Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeremy Jarrett, and I'm here in Syracuse, New York, but I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. When I was 18, I joined the Army as a combat medic. Later went back and became a PT tech through the Army as well. I went to the University of Central Arkansas for undergrad. I have a degree in psychology and anthropology. I got my first master's degree at the University of Memphis, so I went back to Memphis as a healthcare administrator. But over time, working as a data analyst, I miss being in the clinical world and doing things like emergency management and still having my reserve time, because I'm still a reservist, keeping my CUs and things of that nature has really pushed me to become a physician assistant. Um, there is a bridge program here in Syracuse at Lemoyne College for veterans who want to become physician assistants, and you get a kind of saved seat in the program if you meet all the requirements, a GPA of your undergrad, references, clinical hours, and this interview that I'm currently at. Um, let's see. Hopefully, I will be able to get those things to all line up as I pursue that and carry on with this course and other prerequisites course through this program. It's nice seeing all of you that I've seen thus far on the web videos, and hopefully get to know everyone a little bit better and enjoy taking this class with you all. Thank you.